there. Here with your daily awakening. Voice of Ego's End. All the suffering that we experience, at its source, is our self-centered way of participating in the process of life. It stems from a biologically programmed instinct for self-preservation, sure. It consists at a human level in seeing and valuing everything primarily as how it affects oneself, rather than the collective. This produces distrust of strangers, feelings of being threatened by the otherness of others, all kinds of other things. And it deprives us of deep, deep joy and inner freedom. And it's basically the Buddhist principle of wrong, like you just have a misunderstanding about the nature of life. When you connect back to the oneness of all things, there is no need or desire to do any of the things that cause suffering to each other. It takes that all away. So today I encourage you to strive for a little bit more universal love and compassion. Ask you to seek out similarities rather than the differences. And to remember that we're all one. Wake up to your true nature. Thank you for joining me here in Costa Rica for plant medicine, indigenous wisdom, and daily awakenings, and so much more. Please like and subscribe.